we just entered the second quarter of 2025, and I don't know how you guys are doing your trading journey, but me personally, I wasn't able to achieve most of my goals in terms of like how much I want to make, or how many payouts I want to get, or how many funded account I want to get. But when it comes to my discipline and my trading setup and my strategy as a whole and the percentage I generate, I think I'm having my best year so far. Yes, I'm having my best year so far because I was able to make, according to my journal, I was able to make about 25% plus, and that's something great for 3 months. I know how I struggle with making gains in the market. I know how I struggled last year, and I'm actually seeing good results. So now we're in the second quarter of 2025, and I think it's high time we lock in. It's actually time to actually lock in and put more effort into this trading stuff. Like, we actually need to make it this trading stuff. We actually need to put in all our best so that we'll change our situation, and that's it. So I'm just going to be giving you guys the 3 things that I think helped me this first quarter of the year, and how I actually plan to continue to improve in the second quarter of the year. Firstly, you need to backtest your setup. You need to backtest your setup, and that's not because you are trying to get a strategy, but that's just going to help you to build confidence in your setup. So anytime you see your setup, you are not hesitating to take your setup because you have seen it over and over and over, and you have built the confidence to actually take that trade anytime you see it. That's the first thing that helped me, because I backtested a lot of data, and it has helped me this first quarter of the year. Secondly, you need to monitor your emotions. In a book like this, something like this, where you journal your trade, you record every single thing about your trade, your emotion, and you can also write your daily affirmations and all that, all those stuff that are going to actually help you keep yourself intact, keep your emotion intact and your psychology intact, so that you don't deviate when you're in a losing streak or something like that. You always need to pull your emotions, like you need to work on your mindset. So that's the second thing I'm going to talk about. And the third thing I'm going to talk about is discipline. Without discipline, all these things I just said are going to be useless, because it's only discipline that make you to wait patient with your setup. It's only discipline that is still going to make you to take the right setup at the right time. It's only discipline that is going to make you to hold that trade till you get to your TP. So without discipline, I think we are basically going to be unprofitable. And discipline is something I'm still working on till today, because sometimes I actually close my trade too early, which I'm trying to work on this second quarter of the year. And that takes me to my goals for the second quarter of the year. I'm not setting any goals in terms of like money or how much I want to make, but I know that I'm on the right path. So the first goal I'm going to be setting is to build my discipline. I want to build my discipline to be in a top-notch level, like whereby once I set the plan, my TP, I don't care about the monetary value. I can be up $500 and my TP is $700. I need to wait till you get to my TP, or I have a well-structured plan that is going to help me manage that particular trade. If not, I'm not just going to be going off of a different approach just because I want to take out the money and all that. Or in different situations, you know how discipline can actually help you with stop loss and all that. So you just need to be disciplined. That's one thing I need to improve in this second quarter of the year. And also monitor my emotions to the tip. Like, I need to be self-aware of everything I'm doing. And I think that these two things, if it is something that you implement into your trading this second quarter of the year, I think you can actually move from an average trader to a way better trader. That's what I'm planning to do. I just want to take my journey slow and steady, and we'll see how much we can make this 2025. Still recording all my trades, and maybe I'll do a video whereby I'll show you guys all the trades I took this first quarter of the year. And so guys, without further ado, that's the end of the video. And if this video was helpful, or if this video motivation in any way, you can just leave a comment and tell me what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.